Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. I've been trying to go live, so if you're one of the couple people who've been watching me, I am so sorry. I'm gonna try and just record like this and then upload it. Haven't been able to actually get out my camera and just actually film, edit, and upload because I injured my knee. I actually have my crutches right next to me, but I wanted to show you guys what I got in my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Valentine's Day Deluxe box. The box inside, you get the t-shirt. I threw it on because again I was gonna do a live and I can't exactly go and change really quickly, so I did get mine in a size small, and it's the Can't Relate t-shirt. I thought it'd be more unisex fitting, but it kind of fits like a women's t-shirt would, which is pleasantly surprising. I have watched a couple of these. There's only like 3 or 4 of these videos up right now. So far it seems like everyone got the same stuff, so I'm interested to see what I get. So this is what the box looks like. Mine came packaged really nicely. Again, I'm wearing the t-shirt already, so sorry, but all right. So it comes with the pretty pink packaging, and first up, I did get a Supreme Frost, which I'm super excited about because I haven't tried this formula and I've really been wanting to. I got mine in the shade Frozen Peach, which I think is what everyone's gotten so far, but it did seem more wearable, so I am super stoked. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely more gold yellowish, super pretty, which honestly I'm not wearing any highlight yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on super quick. That is super pretty. It's definitely there. Yeah, I think it's super pretty. I'm super excited that I got a really wearable shade. I think these retail for like $32. So in total, by the way guys, I had to pay, I think the boxes were $75 and then my shipping was $12.23. I'm here in Indiana. I just got my box like 10 minutes ago. I didn't pay for any fast shipping. I did have issues whenever I checked out. It was like extremely high, and then I refreshed and luckily it was still there. But anyways, it was still kind of pricey, but it's okay. So next up, I did get a Skin Frost, and I actually got mine in the shade Lavender Snow. I don't know if I'm gonna end up wearing this. I do have a couple of his Skin Frost. Whenever he first launched the Skin Frost, I got like his, he had like a little bundle. I don't know if you guys remember that, but okay. So this is what it looks like. I love this formula, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna really get, well, it's not as dark as I thought. I mean, it's still obviously too dark for me, but I could use it as like an eyeshadow, or I don't know, to be honest. Maybe if I get like a spray tan, I can wear it as some highlight. Who knows? Let me grab my makeup wipe real quick so I don't get everything all gross. Okay, so next up, I did get a little Jeffree Star Cosmetics pop socket. I don't know how much they're saying this retails for. I'm assuming like $10 or $15. That's what most pop sockets retail for, I think. I have one on one of my old phone cases, but it is red. Super cute. All right. Next up, I did get a lip liner, which I'm super excited because I haven't tried this. I got mine in the shade Unicorn Blood, which is different from what I have seen from other people, so I'm actually really excited. I know a lot of people got the shade Dominatrix, which I honestly wasn't too upset about. I don't really wear brown lips anymore, but I figured I could use it as a what do you call it, eyeliner. Sorry, my mind is like everywhere. I'm on so much medicine right now and my knee is still killing me. And why can't I get this out of the package? That's what I want to know. There we go. All right, so the packaging is super cute. It's kind of like a little wand. But again, I got mine in Unicorn Blood, which I do have that liquid lip. To be honest though, it feels creamy. I know a lot of people, like, these have mixed reviews. Some people said they hate them, they're super matte and like drying. But so far it feels good. So we shall see. Next up, I have a lip ammunition in the shade Jeffree's Girl, and I do have like 10 of these. I don't know if I already have this shade because I did get a bunch of the pink ones, but I don't think I did get this one. I'll have to put it in a comment below, but this is what it looks like. You can see that. It's definitely like a bright pink, which is kind of what I'm wearing right now. I'm wearing Prom Night on my lips, so I definitely will wear it. Next up, I got a liquid lipstick in Posh Spice, and I think I have this one. Yeah, I definitely have this one, so maybe I will do a giveaway. I'll put it back in the packaging. But that is different from what I've seen from other people's, and same with the Jeffree's Girl. I know a lot of people got like a gray lipstick, which to be honest I would have been excited about because I have a ABH gray lipstick that I wear all the time. All right, next up I did get another Velour liquid lipstick. It has pink packaging. It's in the shade Diamond. I don't have this, I know that for sure, so I'm really excited. It's like a really unique periwinkle shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Yeah, I have a lipstick from MAC that is this color almost. It's right there. It's in the shade Do You, but this looks like a lot more pigmented, and I love wearing colors like this, so I'm super excited, and I can use it to do like fun things on my eyes like I did today. And then lastly, I did get another liquid lipstick in the shade Dream House, which I don't have this either, so I'm super excited about that. And I'll swatch that. It's like a really pretty shimmery pink. And then there is Dream House. So that is everything I got, and like I said, I'm already wearing the t-shirt. I got different stuff than what I've been seeing. The only other thing that I saw so far that like everyone's got, at least that I've watched, is the Frozen Peach Supreme Frost, which I'm really excited about. I think it looks pretty on the face. I definitely got more pinky stuff, which I'm really excited about, and then this periwinkle, but I think it's really fun. Really happy with everything I got. The only thing I'm a little about is the Lavender Snow Skin Frost, just because it is so purple. I don't know how I'm gonna use this. I'll probably have to use it as eyeshadow unless I get like a good spray tan, because I am butt white. But yeah, so that is everything that I got in my mystery box so far. I'm actually really pleased. Let me know what you guys got down below, and if you got what I got or anything different, yeah, just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.